Hello everyone, welcome back to Yarns and Fins. I am Kay, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this top where you can add a ruffled sleeve or a puff sleeves. I uploaded a separate tutorial for these sleeves. I will put the link on the description box below. In this tutorial, I will be working with the size extra small, and for other sizes, I will indicate the pattern on the lower part of the screen. If you also want a written pattern for these designs, I will put my shop link on the description box below. Without further ado, let's start. To begin, make a slip knot and chain a chain that stretches from your underarm down to your desired length. For my size, I made a total of 31 chains. For our first row, starting on the second chain from hook, single crochet each chain till last. For row 2, chain 1, flip your work and single crochet each stitches across. For row 3 onwards, repeat the same pattern on row 2 until you have 16 rows. Now that you have 16 rows, you will now start with the increasing rows. Begin with chain 1, flip your work, and single crochet the first 5 stitch. Now on the 6th stitch, make an increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets on the same stitch. And then continue 1 single crochet in each stitches till last. For our second row with increase, begin with chain 1, flip your work, and single crochet in each stitches until you reach your increase from the previous row. So I'm here at the end of the row. Again, we will do an increase on the 6th stitch and then single crochet the rest. Repeat the last 2 rows pattern for 6 more times, a total of 14 rows. After that, it should look like this. You can also add a stitch marker to where you started your increase so you won't get confused. For the next rows, chain 1, flip your work, and now we will work a plain single crochets in each stitches across. For size extra small, work 4 rows without increase. After that, it should look like this, and now we will be working with the decreasing rows. To begin, chain 1, flip your work, and then single crochet the first 5 stitch. After that, on the 6th stitch, make a decrease. To make a decrease, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook on the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, now you have 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through all loops. Then single crochet next stitch across. For our second row with decrease, begin with chain 1, flip your work, and then single crochet each stitches until you reach your decrease from the previous row. So I'm here at the end of the row, and on the 6th and 7th stitch make a decrease and then single crochet the rest. For size extra small, repeat the last 2 row pattern for 4 more times, a total of 10 rows with decrease. After that, it looks like this. Now we will work a 2 row without increase for any of the sizes. After 2 rows without increase or decrease, we will again do another increasing rows, and your increasing rows should be the same with your total rows of decrease. After a total of 10 rows with increase for size extra small, we will do another rows without increase or decrease for 4 more rows for size extra small. Then after these, we will again work with decreasing rows, and your total decreasing rows should be the same with your total rows of increase at the beginning. Then another rows without increase or decrease that has the same total rows with the other panel. Once you finish, here's the 16 rows without increase or decrease, the 14 rows with increase, the 4 rows without increase or decrease, the 10 rows with decrease, the 2 rows without increase or decrease, then 10 rows with increase, which has the same pattern on the increase here, then another 4 rows without increase or decrease, then another decreasing rows with the same pattern on the decrease here but with the same total rows here. Then lastly, another 16 rows without increase or decrease. That is the same with the other side. Now facing the right side of the piece, chain 1 and single crochet in each side of the rows across. So this will be our edging. Once you get to this side of the piece, you will now work with the lace holes, and to begin, chain 4. You skip 2 stitches and single crochet the next. Again, chain 4, skip 2 and single crochet the next. Repeat the pattern across, and you can adjust at the end if the stitches are not enough. Once you're done, it looks like this, and continuing on this side, single crochet each side of the rows across. So continue single crochet until you reach on this corner, and repeat the same pattern for the lace holes on this side. After your last single crochet, secure your yarn using your darning needle. If you're planning to attach pads to your piece, attach it like this. For the lace, you can do any cord pattern, and it's up to you if you also want to do this. To begin, make a magic ring, chain 1 and work 7 single crochet inside the magic ring. Now slip stitch on the first single crochet and start chaining at least 300 or more. After chaining 300 or at least 1.5 meters long chain, on the second chain from hook, work 7 single crochets. Finish by slip stitching on the very first single crochet and then weave the end. And that's it for our top. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to get notified on my new uploads. Thank you for watching.